Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to check out how to use a secured credit card in Bright. A secured credit card is a powerful tool for building or rebuilding credit, and Bright helps you to use it in a smart way. First, start by applying for a secured credit card through a reputable issuer. You'll pay a refundable deposit which acts as your credit limit. Once it's active, just link the card to your Bright account. Bright will then track your balance, your due dates, and automatically make at least the minimum payments on time, which of course helps you to build a strong payment history. Bright also ensures that you never carry a high balance, keeping your credit utilization low, which is key of course to boosting your overall credit score. Over time, consistent use with Bright's help can lead to an upgrade to an unsecured card and even a credit limit increase. With Bright managing your secured card, building credit becomes automatic and stress-free. And that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.